Today, a quick video on constants. Sometimes overlooked. I highlighted it quite a bit in code reviews where magic numbers or values are sprinkled around the code. So it's very important to organize your code better, make your code more readable, and avoid writing duplicate code. Let's dive straight in. First of all, let's look at what PEP 8 has to say about constants. Constants are usually defined on a module level and written in all capital letters with underscores separating words. Examples include max, underscore, overflow, and total. So yes, constants are very readable if you respect that rule. So let's look at some constants I used the other day. For our PDM program, we have a little bot that is very helpful in sending it help messages and resources. It also does reminders. So here if I scroll down, there's a main function that's called when the script is executed directly. And the advantage of, let me actually show how this would look if I don't use constants. So Monday and Wednesday are defined as 0 and 2 because as we saw in the previous video, weekday in Python, Monday starts with 0 up until Sunday 6, right? So that's not very intuitive. And first of the month, that still is kind of okay, right? You can say like num day is 1, that makes sense. But if we use weekday 0, what does that really mean apart from this command, right? Say if that command was not there. What does weekday 0 mean and what does weekday 2 means, right? So reverting back to how I had it, now it's like instantly readable, right? Weekday is Monday, then do this. If weekday is Wednesday, do that. So that's the first advantage of having constants. It makes your code more readable. Here with the channel, I could have had actually whatever the C01 code is for channel, and that's probably fine. It does not have the same advantage I have here in terms of readability. However, from a code organizational standpoint, it's definitely useful to have all the constants in place. So here I actually have two sets of constants. I have the ones here at the top of the module, but I have also settings, which loads in all my environment variables. And for that you can use python-dotenv, which I will link an article below. So here I load in all the environment variables needed for this application and have them all in one place. And then I can import that across modules, right? So if I do a PDM, AG is Silver Searcher, I highly recommend getting this tool. It will save you a lot of time searching your code. And then I made an alias to use AG with Python to only look for Python files in this project, right? So if I do AGG on settings, you can see that in all the modules I reuse certain constants which I have all grouped together in settings. So that's a great way to organize your code. Now back to the module. Now here for this module, constants that I use in this module, having them all at the top of the module, where I usually put them, is very readable. So I got the greeting, I got the call form, and I got this messages dictionary. And again, I give meaningful names to what otherwise are called magic numbers or magic values. So 0 and 2 doesn't mean anything, right? But it's very easy to do, to give it like meaningful variable names. And if you look at one of my favorite coding books, I will link it below, Clean Code from Robert St. Martin or Uncle Bob. If you go to the index, I'm literally having the book in my hand, chapter 2, meaningful names, right? So having meaningful names in your code will make your code more readable. So that's it. That's just a quick note on constants. In Python, constants are uppercase, separated by underscore. I put them at the top of the module, and for settings kind of things, I put them in a dedicated module. And again, yeah, it's a great way to make your code more readable, but also to organize your code better. Hope this is helpful. and see you in the next video. Hey, it's Bob again. I hope you like this video, that it helps you write more readable code. If you want more videos like this, drop a comment below or let us know what else we can help you with in terms of video production. Also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified about any new video re-release. And with that said, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.